Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a song here from WITT LOWRY featuring DANI SYLVIA, and it's called Doesn't Feel the Same. So it's about 3 different chords, and we play a little bit with this melody going on in the background, and that's what we're going to look at now. Let's start with the capo on the 3rd fret, and we have these 3 chords. So we'll start with the D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have the A sharp, okay? A little bit tricky sometimes. It's a bar here on the 1st fret over 5 strings. So from bottom up, 5 strings. And then the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G, and 3rd on B. Sometimes I play this when I want to, and when I feel it's necessary, when it's about some melody wanna highlight or so. Sometimes I just place another bar here on the 3rd fret, and then it's from the D string and down. Try to avoid the last E string there with the 2nd bar here. All right, so that's some technique stuff there. And the last chord will be the C add 9. Okay, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Okay, so we'll just start to look at this strumming pattern. So grab the D minor, that's the 1st chord. So one round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, and then clap, and then up, down, up. That is 2 rounds for every chord. So 2 strumming rounds for every chord, and the chord progression will be D minor, then A sharp, then C add 9, and back to A sharp. Okay, so like this. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's 1 round. Play 2 rounds per chord. And D minor, A sharp, C add, and then A sharp. And that is pretty much it. If you want to highlight these notes, it's a little bit irregular. Sometimes it goes back and forth, but one variation of it will be. So the notes will be here on the 3rd fret B string. Then open E, 1st E, and then you can go back to the open E again. So and then C add, and then back to A sharp. And that's pretty much it from the beginning till the end. Good luck with this one, guys. WITT LOWRY's Doesn't Feel the Same. Till next time, play tuned.